One of the most visually expressive and critical components on any vehicle on the roads today are its wheels. And when they're scraped, scarred, or seriously damaged, people want them fixed fast and fixed right. That's where Geneva Reconditioning Wheel Repair Division comes in. By utilizing the latest technology in wheel repair and wheel refinishing available today, you can rest assured that your damaged wheels will roll out looking as good as new. The first step in the repair process is to diagnose exactly what needs to be fixed on each wheel. They will first dismount the tire, examine the wheel, measure the roundness of it as well as the depth and characters of any damage. Now, if a wheel has a serious divot or dent in it, that will need to be stretched out. So they'll attach the wheel, apply heat, and then use a pressurized device to help stretch and round out that rim so it gets a complete 360 finish to it. Now, if a wheel has surface damage to it, serious etchings and scratches in it that need to be smoothed out, they have a device that will actually measure it with a laser precision tool and then cut it back to smooth so it looks brand new. Once the wheel repair has been completed, they will then clean the entire wheel. They will prime it and give it a base coat plus a clear coat on top of it to make sure that it is looking as good as new. It takes a team of seasoned professionals utilizing the latest technology to deliver the highest quality wheel repair possible. And that's exactly what Geneva Reconditioning Wheel Repair Division can do for you.